Rosie's Law was developed and introduced by Senator Sarah Eckhardt and Representative Sheryl Cole, and 4 abortion funds here in Texas help support and advocate for Rosie's Law. We're part of the Rosie's Law Coalition, and that is Frontera Fund, which is the Rio Grande Valley's local abortion fund, Lilith Fund, Texas Equal Access Fund, and Jane's Due Process. So all of us make up the Rosie's Law Coalition. Hi, my name is Zaina Zamora. I'm the Executive Director with Frontera Fund, and I use she, her, and ella pronouns. So Rosie's Law is a piece of Texas state legislation. Right now it's labeled as House Bill 1098 and Senate Bill 359. This bill would help restore and expand insurance coverage of abortion and also help cover things like any FDA-approved contraceptive care. So it'll help cover any legal abortions that are able to be performed in Texas and anything under contraceptive care, including emergency contraceptive, sterilization, long-acting contraceptives, things like that. So Rosie's Law is named after Rosie Jimenez. Rosie Jimenez was a young woman who lived here in McAllen, Texas, so she's part of our community, right? She died in 1977 at the age of 27 from an unsafe abortion after Medicaid wouldn't cover her abortion costs. Rosie's Law was kind of developed after a 2017 ban in Texas that banned any sort of public or private insurance from paying for abortion care. So Lilith Fund and Texas Equal Access Fund got together and did a lot of research and tried to figure out ways to kind of undo the ban. Policy research, and they got together with certain legislatures to get this bill written. And so it's been introduced every legislative session since 2019. Right now, the Texas State House and Senate are very much conservative controlled, so the likelihood of it getting passed is not very high. But we still think it's important that we let our legislative bodies and our politicians know that this is something that Texans really support. Overwhelmingly, Texans support abortion access and support reproductive health care and contraceptive care. So there are a bunch of different ways you can get involved. We have on rosieslaw.org a place where you can take action, and you can send a letter to your representative, Texas State representative, to support or co-author or joint author Rosie's Law. And you can also just, look up who your representative is, look who your senator is, and give them a call. Let them know that this is something that you really want them to support, and hopefully it'll move in the process of getting a bill passed in Texas.